McKamey Manor is an American nonprofit haunted house attraction where survival horror events are performed. McKamey Manor is considered a pioneer of the notion of extreme haunts. It was founded in San Diego by resident Russ McKamey and was originally located on his property. The house operates year-round and the tour can last up to 8 hours. Guests must sign a liability waiver to participate. McKamey Manor has attracted significant controversy, criticism, and media scrutiny for its use of simulated aggression and various forms of physical and psychological torture towards guests. The house permits just a handful of patrons to enter each weekend. Guests are not required to pay an entrance fee. Instead, McKamey accepts payment only in dog food for his pet dogs. At the Tennessee location, those age 21 can get in, or 18 to 20 with parental consent. The Alabama location is 21 and over. The tour can last from 4 to 8 hours, and no guest has made it all the way through. Despite previously not allowing safe words, McKamey says that guests have the option to use one that ends the experience immediately. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.